Hello there. Nothing fancy in this video, just some footage from the Fitcamx 4K dashcam that I was sent. Although each of these clips does have a what the hell type moment. And given the colourful language that I tend to use when these type of things happen, it's probably just as well the sound was switched off. And if you look carefully here, you will see the reflection of the indicators on the roundabout. So you can see I am indicating all the way around here. And whoop, nearly. I see this type of thing regularly on my commute to work. So 2 lanes coming out the roundabout. There is a bus stop which you can't drive into, and 2 lanes coming off, but oh, no, we'll just have a shot of both lanes there. This one is the junction of the A702 and the A701, and it's a crazy junction layout. So what's happening here is we're coming up to 2 turns on the left. Mercedes is going down the second turn, but randomly stops to let someone out. In the middle of a 40-mile-an-hour road, by the way. And then because he's done that, you accelerate away and someone pulls out the junction. This is a terrible road layout. I have seen people come out of those junctions without slowing down, without realising there's a give way. And I've had a couple of near misses on the motorbike with folk doing similar things. Another commuting one here, left-hand lane for turning left, right-hand lane for going straight on, and no. Again, happens all the time. And my bonus clip was delighted to be following this little Ford Escort into work the other day until I saw the state of the driving. Maybe there's just a lot of torque. Maybe they were just trying to warm their tyres. It's hard to tell. There's clearly a lot going on. As I said, nothing exciting here, just some different footage from the dash cam in different lighting conditions now that we're getting into the kind of darker mornings and darker afternoons. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.